Driver can't steer, but look like Pam Grier. She like, where's their parking round?
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Clatsop County in northwestern Oregon, northwestern Tillamook County in northwestern Oregon, until 8:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:38 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Rockaway Beach, or near Manzanita, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Penny-size hail may also accompany the damaging winds. Locations impacted include Manzanita, Rockaway Beach, Cape Mears, Wheeler, Leland, Foss, Moeller, Salmonberry, and Hamlet. In Oregon, this includes U.S. Highway 101 between mile markers 40 and 54. Precautionary preparedness actions. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This is strong thunderstorm due to the rotating nature of these storms. They are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and possibly tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter, preferably into a basement, or an interior room such as bathroom or closet.
Up and down my